Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to blend in Canva. Blending in Canva is a great way to create smooth transitions or layered effect by adjusting the transparency and layering of images, colors, or elements. Here is how to blend effectively in Canva. Open the Canva application on your mobile device and then open up the design you want to blend. After selecting a design, you will then end up in this preview page. Now, click on the image, text, or graphic you want to blend. I'm just gonna select this text layer over here. Now go to the bottom menu and look for transparency option. You can then increase or decrease this little white dot left or right, and then you will be able to reduce the opacity, allowing underlying elements to show through. Now, if you've layered your text above your image, then with the help of the transparency option, you can easily make it less visible or more visible, or even get the blended effect for the chosen element. So that is how you blend an element in Canva. You can just use the transparency option while selecting the element and you will be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.